Managing single-family homes isn't just about rent rolls and repairs. It's about leading a business.
Owners rely on you, tenants count on you, and your team depends on you to keep everything running smoothly.
But most property management software does just the opposite. The thing meant to help you has become the biggest obstacle.
Scattered data, incorrect reporting, and hours spent reconciling what should have been automatic.
While many software companies call their piecemeal systems an all-in-one, you can never quite get anything done.
That's why so many property managers are switching to Rentvine, the AI-connected property management software that brings accounting, leasing, and maintenance together. Portfolio-based accounting that managers understand and owners love. Dashboards and custom views tailored to your team. AI, automation, and support that takes care of the work.
In Rentvine, each department and every owner sees what matters to them.
Accounting teams reconcile faster with true three-way trust accounting and one-click 1099s. Operations flow with automated maintenance and owner, vendor, and tenant portals. Marketing and leasing moves faster with smart sites, automated posting, built-in screening, and e-signatures. And when you scale from 100 doors to 500 and beyond, our open platform and API connect with CRMs, AI partners, and analytics without rebuilding your workflow, all at no extra cost. This isn't just smoother software, it's better business. When the books tie every time, owners notice. When your onboarding is quick and painless, team members get excited. When your platform scales without friction, your business and your reputation grow. Property managers deserve more than patchwork tools and closed platforms. With Rentvine, you're built to grow.